I born and brought up in Delhi and I got married and moved to New York. Conceive करने से पहले ही अपना जाके डे केयर में बुकिंग कर दो.
Oh, is it so?
Yes, work से छुट्टी लेना मतलब कि you're losing a job. We wish there was something like this in India.
Yeah.
And ये वाली एक लाइन थी जो हिट कर गई. क्या तैयार थी इस कंसेप्ट को कि 3 महीने के बच्चे को या 2 महीने के बच्चे को वो छोड़ के जाएंगे पूरा दिन हमारे पास.
Every working mother is into the guilt like मैं अपने बच्चे को कहाँ छोड़ूं.
So there's a difference between crèche and daycare. Help लेना कोई गलत काम नहीं है. They don't have to leave their career.
When a working couple become parent, a beautiful new chapter begins. But along with the joy comes a silent struggle. Who will care for child when both parents are working? For many families, this question becomes a daily source of stress, guilt, and difficult decisions. What if there was a way for parents to pursue their careers without compromising on their child's safety, learning, and emotional well being? Today's conversation is about exactly that. Joining us today, Mrs. Suman Kapoor, co founder of Taught Learning, an organization that has been helping working parents through professionally managed daycare and early childhood learning solutions. After many successful daycares, now they are in Jaipur. Let's begin. And thank you so much for subscribing Alignment Talks. So, Suman, what was the actual spark you started daycare facilities? Like how this all started?
So actually, I am from Delhi. I born and brought up in Delhi. I did my schooling, college in Delhi, and then I was, working with my dad, and I was a fashion designer with my background. And I got married and moved to New York, and there, I had my, I was one of the ambitious mom as well, and very finicky also. Like very particular about कि मेरे बच्चे ने क्या सीखना है क्या नहीं सीखना है. तो उसमें हमने जब she born at that time, how in New York all these places कहते हैं कि जब तक आप कंसीव करने से पहले ही अपना जाके डे केयर में बुकिंग कर दो.
Oh, is it so?
Yes, over there, yeah. So actually I was way behind with that. तो हमने देखा नहीं. तो उस टाइम पे it's like I had to go back to work and now who is going to take care of the baby and मुझे डे केयर नहीं मिल रहा था उस टाइम पे. तो फिर हमने भी किसी को घर में रखा for a couple of months until I find somebody else. Work से छुट्टी लेना मतलब कि you're losing a job at that. So it was like so I didn't want to have that to let go both the things.
Yes.
So then as soon as I came to know that there's a space in the daycare, I just rushed her there. And then of course they are challenging being in New York. मतलब सुबह बर्फ गिर रही है, ठंड है, बच्चे को सुबह सुबह पैक करो, ऑफिस में उनको डे में छोड़ के आओ. And all that was happening every day and night. So it was worth it actually. So in after a couple of years we had gone to India for some kind of wedding and all that, and then there the kind of personality my daughter had, and the way she was growing, her social skills, her language, her personality was amazing. And then she got surrounded with all people over there, like a lot of different family, relatives, friends. All of them were amazed to see her, the way she was surrounded by people, talking away, and just and she's loving everyone. And so people started asking how come she's been 2 years, she's so her personality and the way she's talking is totally different. And then this line came which I still remember. आज भी मुझे याद आती है that we wish there was something like this in India.
Yeah.
And ये वाली एक लाइन थी जो हिट कर गई. और फिर उसके बाद हम उस टाइम तो हम वापस चले गए. We didn't think of so much and we went back to New York and we didn't think of all that. But then we were like, okay, क्या ले जा सकते हैं हम something unique to India. And this was one thing that which hit us. Why not to take that
that concept
to India. About daycare. And we did study, we did a lot of trainings there, and then we moved back to India in 2002. And then we had our first daycare with the name of Your Kids Are Kids.
Your Kids Are Kids.
Yes.
Oh, nice name.
Yes. So that was the name we were running with. And now we have with the name of Taught Learning.
Oh, great. So thank God you keep this nice memories with you, and you started this a daycare center in India.
Yes, in
Thanks.
India.
So there must be some struggles, like when you started, you are going to start this daycare
Right.
in India
Yes.
with the concept of New York. Then how was like your
Yeah.
journey there?
Yeah. So when we thought of कि हमको इंडिया में जाके डे केयर खोलना है, but it was just a thought.
हाँ.
To bring it and to open it was again a challenge because it was a totally new concept. लोगों ने बोला कि उनको ये कॉन्सेप्ट इंडिया में चाहिए, पर क्या वो तैयार थे इस कॉन्सेप्ट को कि 3 महीने के बच्चे को या 2 महीने के बच्चे को वो छोड़ के जाएंगे पूरा दिन हमारे पास. सो बट वी टुक अ चांस. फिर हमने एक ऐसी जगह ढूंढी जहाँ पे देयर इज अ मिक्स ऑफ क्राउड जो अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं कॉन्सेप्ट. And but then we said no, we'll just try it out no matter what, because there are people who are looking for something like this. And then when we opened in October 2002, and we were amazed the kind of response we got. मतलब पेरेंट्स आके अपना बच्चे को छोड़ के जाते. So we got a lot of, like we got our center got filled up quite early, quite fast. And because we had nurses to take care and we had children, like 2-2 महीने के बच्चे भी हमने उनको in 2002 में हमने 2-2 महीने के बच्चे को भी अपने पास रखा.
And the mothers were ready, like वो अपने
they
बच्चों
were
को...
had they see the thing is they had that guilt inside. They were crying also, but they had no choice. तो उन्होंने क्या किया कि हमारे पास छोड़ते थे, हम उनको काउंसिल करते थे, उनको थोड़ा सा कंसोल भी करते थे और उनको हमने दिया जो वो चाहते थे, और उसके बाद वो सेटिस्फाइड भी बहुत हो गए थे. तो उधर से ही ऐसे, क्योंकि हमारे पास न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट थी, सर्टिफाइड नर्सेस थी जो बच्चों का ध्यान रख रही थी. तो इट वाज नॉट कि हमने कोई अनट्रेन्ड स्टाफ रखा. इट्स अ प्रॉपर टीचर्स, दैट इज द ऑल द टीचर्स आर ट्रेन्ड, so nothing like that we would take a chance with young kids.
Yes. So Suman, like in India, it actually the women workforce is growing. And this is a compliance also, I guess. Right. As I study, I myself is a HR, और मैंने देखा पढ़ा है कि on the 50 employees there is a must आपके पास एक क्रैच फैसिलिटी ऑफिस में होना चाहिए. That's mandatory by the law.
Yeah. So ऑफिस में जरूरी नहीं है, but एक्चुअली आपका उनसे टाई अप होना चाहिए.
Okay.
So ऑफिस में भी ऑन साइड भी हो सकता है, नियर साइड भी हो सकता है. बस आपको वो सुविधा उनको प्रोवाइड करनी है. तो आप कैसे करते हैं ये, दे हैव अ चॉइसेस. तो उसमें गवर्नमेंट ने ये रूल निकाला है कि अगर आपके 50 एम्प्लॉयज है तो आपको ये कंप्लाइंट करना ही होगा. बट उसके लिए आप उनको मतलब पास वाले में आप टाई अप कर सकते हैं. और या तो फिर आप अपना अंदर खोल के एम्प्लॉयज को दे सकते हैं. बट इट्स मैंडेटरी.
Yes. Right. So we were talking about the mother's concern, right, like their hidden pain of a mom and the struggle during their motherhood and the career journey and the family and the husband wife relationship. Everything comes like सब कुछ change हो जाता है as a mother, a woman become a mother. I myself been going through with it and I have my personal stories. But the pain was like there is no one to take care of your kids, and every working mother is into the guilt, like मैं अपने बच्चे को कहाँ छोड़ूं. That was with me also, like same कि मैं अपने बच्चे को छोड़ के either I choose my career और मैं अपने बच्चे को संभालूं.
So yes, family versus career or career versus family is always there. So इसी सेम चीज मैं भी गई हूँ. It's not that कि मेरे भी बच्चे हैं, they have grown up now, but I have also gone through the same way. Like वो हमेशा एक गिल्ट अंदर रहता है. But अगर आप देखें तो उसमें actually what is more important, supervision or a development of the child.
Yes.
Right. So क्या होता है जो हम डे केयर्स होते हैं. So there is a difference between crèche and day care. तो क्रैच होता है बेबी सिटिंग विच वी डोंट बिलीव. हम कहते हैं कि डे केयर में एटलीस्ट देयर इज अ स्ट्रक्चर्ड प्ले, देयर आर क्रिएटिव सेशंस आर देयर इज अ न्यूट्रिशियस मील्स आर देयर, देयर इज अ रेस्ट टाइम देयर. सो दे आर गेटिंग अ होल एंड होलसम डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द चाइल्ड हियर. तो उसमें मदर्स का गिल्ट होता है बिकॉज समवेयर उनको सिखाया जाता है कि आपने कि आपने आपकी प्रायोरिटी आपकी फैमिली है, आपके बच्चे हैं. हाँ, तो वो गिल्ट कभी नहीं जा सकता. वो आपका मेरे ख्याल से हमेशा ही रहेगा. पर यस, आप उनको बैलेंस कर सकते हो. तो इसलिए हम अपने आप को बोलते हैं एन एक्सटेंशन टू अ पेरेंट. we can't take a parent seat, but we are an extension to a parent. तो आपको हम हेल्प कर सकते हैं, और हेल्प लेना कोई गलत काम नहीं है. So we can help you out, we can support you to continue with your career as well, and then we can even help in making sure that your child gets development, because ऐसे आपको भी पता है वैसे 1 to 3 years is the brain development time for a child. तो इस टाइम पे अगर उनको स्ट्रक्चर्ड प्ले मिलेगा, उनको क्रिएटिव एक्टिविटीज मिलेंगी, देयर इज अ सोशल स्किल्स, उससे दे विल आल्सो ग्रो बेटर, देयर पर्सनालिटी, देयर अदर स्किल्स विल आल्सो एनहांस. सो वो गिल्ट कभी खत्म नहीं होगा. बट यस, इफ दे वांट, दे नाउ डेज दे डोंट नीड टू do that. They don't have to leave their career, because there are many places which can help them in giving them this kind of setup.
सुमन, जब आपके पास कोई मदर, वर्किंग वुमेन अपना बच्चा यहाँ पर आपके डे केयर सेंटर में वो छोड़ के जाता है, सो आप स्टार्टिंग से मुझे बताइए क्या करते हैं, हाउ द जर्नी ऑफ द किड्स गोज, लाइक होल डे कैसा उसका रहता है यहाँ पर?
ओके, तो हमारा होता है कि जैसे पेरेंट आए हैं, विजिट करा सेंटर्स, दे आर सेटिस्फाइड एंड देन दे एनरोल विद अस. वंस दे एनरोल, सो वी हैव अ सेटलिंग फेज इन टाइम, जहाँ पे वो बच्चे को हम पूरा दिन नहीं रखते फ्रॉम डे वन, क्योंकि छोटे बच्चे हैं, उनको सेट होने में टाइम लगता है. देन द एंजाइटी बिल्ड्स इन बिटवीन अ पेरेंट एंड अ चाइल्ड बोथ. तो हमारे पास धीरे धीरे फेस इन होता है. फर्स्ट डे आपका 1 hour हुआ, सेकंड आवर हुआ, फिर देन विद इन अ वीक वी फेस इन द चाइल्ड. उसके बाद we just start with them. Then we have every day we have a new day for kids. उसके बाद morning they come, they have a structured play, then they have they have nutritious meals, they have a rest time, they have a creative sessions, then they have a outdoor play, then again they have activities planned. So so they have we don't push them to or force them, but we make the activities in such a way that interests them and they do it themselves. So we are we are not very pushy with the parents, or we are not very that they have to be forced to do that. So we try to take out the creativity from the child, what they like, what they want to do, क्या करना चाहते हैं. जस्ट नहीं कि आपने आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट ही करना है तो आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट ही करना है, आपने अगर मैथ्स करना तो मैथ्स करना, नहीं, उनका इंटरेस्ट किस में है, तो हम वो एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. तो अगर आप हमारा डे केयर भी देखोगे, वो इस तरह से डिजाइन किए हुए हैं कि वो बच्चे कहीं भी कहीं जा सकते हैं. सेफ्टी की प्रोटोकॉल इतनी ज्यादा हम लेते हैं इधर कि उनका हमारा फर्नीचर हो या हमारा जैसे भी सेटअप होता है, इट्स सो सेफ, बिकॉज एक्चुअली हमारे पास 365 ऑडिट पॉइंट्स होते हैं जब हम सेंटर खोलते हैं. तो वो दीज आर फ्रॉम द लार्ज कंपनीज. तो वो पहले ऑडिट करती है सेंटर को, whether it's a CPR, whether it's a first aid, whether it's a POXO, whether it's a POSH, anything it is, like it's all been, staff has been well trained, pediatric nurse has to be on board, we have to have a doctor on call, so hospital tie-ups, and then training, drill training, emergency training. So it's like monthly we do it here.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and so and it's like we take all these protocols, we have a app, Tot Learning app, where there's a CCTV, then there's a digital logs also. So, and we believe in being a transparency. So if you're transparent with the parents, that builds our trust with them. If we are going to hide the things, see, at the end of the day, parent is parent. They would come to know because they are child. So it's better to speak to them, tell them what exactly their child is doing. Like, for example, I'll tell you that, what happens when the children are playing here with us and they're doing some activity. So we just click a picture and send a WhatsApp to a parent where a parent is sitting in the school, in their office.
And they feel comfortable.
Yeah. And then when they get that picture, you see the smile on their face. That's amazing. And that's what we look for, actually. That parent is sitting at work and smiling, and and
they're relaxed.
Yeah, that my child is at a safe environment, and then the child is enjoying and the parent is also satisfied.
That's nice. From which age group children used to come here?
So we take children from 3 months, and we have been in as he said in 2002, तो हमने 2 साल से शुरू कर दिया था.
अच्छा.
But हमने बहुत बच्चे लिए हैं 3 महीने के, मतलब बच्चों ने पहला स्टेप हमारे स्कूल में लिए. पेरेंट्स ऑफिस में होते थे और बच्चा पहला स्टेप हमारे यहाँ लेता था, हम उनको चलाते थे, एंड वी यूज्ड टू मेक अ लॉट ऑफ नाइस मेमोरीज एंड गिव इट टू द पेरेंट्स. तो वो बहुत खुश हो जाते थे. तो हमने बहुत 3 months से 2 years तक बच्चे हमारे हर सेंटर में होते थे, और नर्सेज इतने सारे होते थे जो उनका ध्यान रखते थे. बट and we were taking kids like, you know, agar 8 years tak, 10 years tak, 15 years tak, so we have till after school.
Mm-hmm.
So we don't restrict as far as child can come and we can take care. Like for
Mhm.
after schoolers, we have tuitions for them. So
Oh.
like, you know, like we had this quantity time versus quality time. So
Mhm.
now we are redesigning quality time.
Quality time.
Yeah, which is very important because just
Mhm.
not parent coming from work and doing a homework with the child.
Yes.
It's like, you know, you rather read a book to a child,
Huh.
talk to them and know about the school instead of rushing them with the homework completion.
Yeah.
So that where thought comes in.
Hmm.
Thought says you leave the child here, we'll help you with your child with the homework. Your child has eaten, all homework done.
Huh.
Now when you pick up your child, you have a complete quality time
time.
with your child. You do the way you want to.
Wow.
So that's where we do, and we take a lot of headache from the parents.
Uh-huh.
So they don't feel like, you know, that we are at work and we have not given time, or maybe they are missing out like some extra curriculum classes also, which we
Uh-huh.
cover it in
Okay.
our thought itself.
Yeah, I could see like many toys and many art and craft and many creative tools you have for their like all the engagement.
Yes.
That's simply wow. So like Suman, if a child like they call for their parents like while they are here
Hmm.
and they feel like they're missing their parents, what you do?
See, the thing is, like here we said, there is a mental load parent has, right? So, what is this mental load basically? So, child is far from the parent. Parents are like, you know, getting stressed out. What's happening with my child and all that. So, here the companies come in, and
Mhm.
here this, you know, for on-site and near-site center, where the child can walk in any time. It's an open door policy. You come and meet the child. जब भी आपकी मर्जी हो, हम बुला सकते हैं, आप आ सकते हो. So there it helps them that, you know, then when you have a tie-ups and when they are, the companies are following the compliance,
Like
ये उनका जो mental load है वो कम कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, like if we talk about the compliance, like ये compliance में I think there is a law also, like whenever mothers want, they can go and meet with their kids.
Yes.
And that's allowed
Yes.
in the compliance. There's no restriction for the mothers.
No.
Whenever they want, they can meet with their children.
Yes, they can come and visit the child.
And this daycare should be in an area of 1 kilometer of their office premises.
Yes, it is there, 1
It is
kilometer.
1 kilometer.
Yes, it's
Yes,
like in some tier two cities is 1 kilometer,
हाँ,
and other cities are 500 meters.
500 meters.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So because the reason is this only कि आप अपने बच्चे को छोड़ो, आपको जितनी बार जाके देख लो, जाके जितनी बार चेक करना है, देखना है, और इसमें उनको भी थोड़ी सेटिस्फेक्शन रहती है, प्लस बिल्डिंग में आसानी पड़ती है. Yeah.
And I hope like with all the curriculum you have, जो आपका उनका learning concept भी साथ साथ चल रहा है.
Yes.
And I think that's a main time जब बच्चा सब कुछ सीख रहा होता है.
Yes, 0 to 5 years of age is the, you know, right milestone for a child's brain development.
Yes. और इसी टाइम पे अगर वो फ्री बैठा है घर में
और कुछ नहीं कर रहा,
कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, तो we are I think wasting their time.
Yes. So actually जब हमने खुला था स्कूल 2002 में, I'll go back there for a minute. तो उधर उस टाइम पे क्या होता था, पेरेंट्स को था कि हम बच्चे को 3 घंटे के लिए भेज दें, जो मतलब हाउस वाइफ भी थी उस टाइम पे फॉर लर्निंग के लिए. तो उस टाइम कॉन्सेप्ट भी मतलब थोड़ा सा आ रहा था उनको, तो उन्होंने वो किया. जब वो पेरेंट्स ने देखा कि मेरा छोटा बच्चा भी, एक पहले सोचते थे कि हमारा बच्चा जो है वो क्या सीखेगा, इतना छोटा बच्चा कुछ नहीं सीखेगा, राइट? इट्स लाइक दोस टाइम्स आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. बट अगर आप दूसरी चीज से भी देखो, जब यू नो जब बच्चा आपके मुंह में होता है तो आप करते हो कि ओके फाइन, यू नो अच्छी अच्छी बुक्स पढ़ो, बच्चा सुन रहा है. तो जब बच्चा बाहर आ गया तब भी बच्चा सुन रहा है ना, सो व्हाई नॉट एट दैट टाइम,
right?
Yeah, so there we always say that कि बच्चा बाहर आ गया, so you do what they, because they are listening, they are understanding everything. Maybe they can't talk today, but that yes, they will talk tomorrow, right? So when they talk all this what they are learning as of today. So this is a one major thing which parents are understanding कि अगर mothers भी, if there is a mothers who are not working, you know, they are keeping the child at home. So what is the schedule of that child? What are the parents doing? How much mothers are doing with them? So where they get help here, that we are professionals here in the market. So we know exactly what has to be done with the child of 1 year, 2 year, 3 or 4 year, 5 year. So we take care of that part. एंड देन वी टीच द पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो, वी इन्फॉर्म द पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो। और हमारे पास बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज होती है जो पेरेंट चाइल्ड एक्टिविटी होती हैं, तो पेरेंट्स को इन्वॉल्वमेंट रहती है। एंड हमारे पास काउंसलर्स भी हैं जो पेरेंट्स को काउंसिल करते रहते हैं, बताते रहते हैं बच्चे के साथ क्या करना है, देन न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट है, हेल्प देम, क्योंकि दीज आर ऑल न्यू पेरेंट्स एंड उनके फैमिलीज, दे आर नॉट लिविंग विद देयर यू नो extended families.
Yes.
So they need guidance. So we are there to give them the guidance as well.
And what happening at home? आजकल की जो mothers we are seeing, बच्चे को मोबाइल दे दिया, वो खाना खा रहा है, मोबाइल देख के खा रहा है, तो डिजिटल और स्क्रीन टाइम बच्चों का इतना ज्यादा बढ़ गया है,
बहुत ज्यादा।
and the concept we are talking about, the quality time.
Yes.
So I think that is missing, and people are not aware also. कि हम उसे कहाँ डालें, हम उसे कहाँ भेजें. They are only dependent on the school. कि जब वो स्कूल जाना शुरू करेगा, then only उसका कुछ learning start हो रहा है.
पर जब स्कूल आते हैं, हमें एक्चुअली इसमें हमें इसमें बहुत ज्यादा हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ता है, क्योंकि बच्चा जब आता है हमारे पास, हम उनको बिठाना चाहते हैं, खिलाना चाहते हैं, वो स्क्रीन टाइम के बिना नहीं खाता। So here we have to make them like unlearn. Yeah, so where it's like you know, okay, and it's a child. तो आप एक दिन 2 दिन में नहीं सिखा सकते, बट फिर पेरेंट्स भी एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि हमारा बच्चा अभी डे 1 से स्क्रीन बंद कर दे, बिकॉज उन्होंने रियलाइज कर दिया है। So उधर we play a role. We take some time, but we are able to achieve that part also. That where we remove that screen time and we bring that like a story time, and that you sit together and eat together.
I think kids are very moldable. आप जैसा उन्हें mold करोगे वो हो जाएंगे. If you're giving them quality stuff to learn, they will learn.
Exactly. And today's generation is like, you know, the kids definitely can't make them sit idle at home.
Yes.
Yeah. So like, you know, you can bring them to the right environment, so they learn. You know, they are like the first 3 years होते हैं, first 5 years होते हैं, जो actually it's a scientific proven also. और ये हम बहुत सालों से बात कर रहे हैं सेम चीज की, कि ये इस टाइम पे आप, you know, their brain is it's a growing brain. So you can develop the child the way you want to, you can shape them कि जैसा आप उनको adult बनाना चाहते हो. तो this is the right time. तो अगर आप इस टाइम पे बच्चे को घर में टीवी के सामने बिठा दोगे, या कुछ नहीं करा, कोई एक्टिविटी नहीं है, जस्ट लाइक यू नो शाम को पार्क में जाके खेल लिया, दिन में सो गए 4 घंटे और खाना खा लिया, खिला दिया उनको टीवी दिखा के, और यू नो दैट्स ऑल, then I guess you know, we can do much more better with the child than like, you know, just giving them this.
Yeah, true, very true. What is the concept of taught learning? How you tie up, like directly parents comes here, or you tie up with the corporates and offices? How you do?
We have started doing this service industry since last 2 decades now. इनिशियली भी हम 2002 में भी उस टाइम पे कॉर्पोरेट्स अप्रोच करे थे, और आज की डेट में भी हम जाके उनको अप्रोच करते हैं. तो लाइक वी हैव अ वन स्टॉप सॉल्यूशन हियर, zero capex model we have it here with us. That's like we go to corporates, you know, we find a solution for them, we talk to them, then we build it for them. The daycare, it's whether can be on site or a near site, and then we give them the solutions of this. So it's basically meeting them, explaining them. We call ourselves as a corporate daycare. But of course, we are very happy to take the individual families also. So they are most welcome. हम उनको भी लेते हैं, पर हमारी जो मार्केट होती है वो हम कॉर्पोरेट के पास में ही 1 किलोमीटर 500 मीटर्स में ही खोलते हैं, या फिर इनसाइड द टेक पार्क्स. ये हमारी स्ट्रेटेजी है. But we don't stop any walk-in parent as well. We welcome them also.
So any woman like housewife can also.
Yes, definitely. Yes.
They can leave their children.
See, but kids are kiddos, right? So there is no stop to that. Anybody can walk in.
Okay.
And we welcome them with full heart.
Corporate में आपका interaction HR से होता होगा, डायरेक्ट जब या फिर कंपनी के डायरेक्टर से होता होगा.
हाँ.
वो लोग कैसा सोचते हैं when you approach them कि we have this facility and this is a part of compliance also? How they react?
See, ये compliance काफी टाइम से चल रहा है, अभी भी दोबारा से reinforce हो गया मई में. So there are 50%, or maybe I would not say any percentage, but there are many companies, big companies, massive ones, उन्होंने already compliance किया हुआ, and they are spending a lot of money on this as well, you know. So पहले क्या होता था, HR used to take this concept as a daycare as a perk, but now it has become a compliance,
Hmm.
and it's like bringing women to work, or maybe their talent.
Yes.
So now it has become that.
हाँ.
So to retain the staff, तो
हाँ.
जो mothers हैं, जो women's हैं, वो वापस अपनी pregnancy के बाद, delivery के बाद वापस काम पे आ जाए.
Okay.
So that's where this comes in. And then we go meet HR. We just call them, schedule an appointment, meeting them, give them the presentation. They also have, see, they are also doing their homework.
Yes.
Because they are also, there are companies who want to be compliant.
Yes.
So there are many companies. So they also do their homework. They welcome us. You know, we do the tie-up. We help them. They help us out. And then we have a good tie-ups also. There are like many companies we have the tie-up with.
Okay. What kind of daycare corporates look for?
So corporates looks for like, you know, more of a जो scalable easily हो जाए, जिनकी team हो, you know, they have a centralized team, scalable हो, hassle free हो for the organization and for parents. So they are looking for, and who is compliant.
Right.
So they look for that kind of a daycare, a chain of
we talk about the compliant again.
Yeah.
So maybe Jaipur mein, Sitapura mein, there may be many manufacturing units.
Right.
IT companies are there.
Yes.
So this is a hassle for them, like
Yes.
to handling all the compliance. So how you help them to handle the compliance, this compliance, especially the daycare compliance, easily for them?
So, you know, in Sitapura, exactly, this is like, you know, again, a tier 2 city, which is coming up now. And here, like, you know, as we have been meeting the companies here, a lot of with HR, they have shown a very good interest for daycare, and they are very much interested to know more about the compliance. And वो अपना भी research कर रहे हैं. They are going back to their team also. अपना वहाँ पे अपना check करें कि क्या है, क्या करना चाहिए. And they are giving this as a not a perk anymore to the employees, but as a one added advantage, which is like you know, can जो उनको compliant कर सकती है, और एक benefit parents को भी मिल सकता है.
And I think for the we're talking about this HR perspective and the company's ROI perspectives.
Right.
So every organization, they look for, whenever they facilitate such thing, they look for their ROIs.
Right.
So what do you feel like giving this facility to their employees? They increase their ROI or decrease? Where is the balance they found?
So that's a good point. But बहुत सारी companies हैं. They are massive like companies who are not looking into ROI as such. वो एक तो compliant हो रही है, और दूसरा they are bringing, they don't want to lose the talented employees. They want to retain the staff. They want to you know, make sure that their staff, the continuity is there.
Right.
They have that as we were talking about, a mental load.
Yes.
They're like, you know, their kids have been taken care through this, like, you know, they, as I said, they are getting compliant also, and parents are also at peace because their child is at a right place, जो कि audit की जाती है company से, जहाँ पे, you know, and जहाँ पे parents are also satisfied कि company की तरफ से है, audit किया गया है, और बच्चे भी safe हैं. तो वो उनको काफी हेल्प मिलती है पेरेंट्स को कि अपना दे कैन फोकस, एंड देयर प्रोडक्टिविटी बिकम्स मच बेटर, देयर एब्सेंटिज्म बिकम्स लेस इन दैट केस, बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव टू लाइक, यू नो, टेक ऑफ फॉर अ हॉलीडे की एक दिन की छुट्टी हुई तो अब मैं आज ऑफिस नहीं आ सकती, बिकॉज देयर वी आर actually we are giving them, okay, whether it's a one day emergency leave or a summer holiday or a festival holiday, we are there for you. So that helps them to, you know, manage their routine day to day. And
I think organizations का फायदा ही है उन्हें crèche facility या day care facility अपने employees को देने में. I think आपका employee, as you said, they are with the peace of mind.
Yes.
And their productivity actually increase.
Yes. और वो बैठे बैठे अपने बच्चे को जब भी देखो देख सकते हैं, because उनका CCTV का एक्सेस है हमारे ऐप टॉट ऐप से. Then उनके पास you know, they have a digital logs, transparency reports आ रहे हैं उनको all the time. You know, they can see what's happening. So इससे बहुत फर्क पड़ता है.
Productivity पे actually
and kids are everyone's life.
As I was just researching about this, I got some data.
65.5% of women, they leave their working career just because they need to take care of their infant. They just leave their career and they back to their child care only, because they don't get any daycare facility, and she left behind their career ideas. They drop them. What you say on it?
So see, that's true, क्योंकि हमने भी देखा है कि यहाँ पे like the women जो decade से काम कर रही है और अचानक से उसको अब अपना career, they have to stop the career because of now they have a child with them. तो ये एक्चुअली ये बहुत ही पुराना कॉन्सेप्ट है जो चलता आ रहा है कि कल जब अभी आप दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ काम कर रहे हैं तो कल तक अगर बच्चा होगा तो कौन जॉब छोड़ेगा, कौन सेक्रीफाइस करेगा, तो व्हाई विमेन ऑलवेज, ये क्वेश्चन भी आता है, व्हाई नॉट फादर. सो बट दैट्स अ मेंटालिटी आल्सो इज सेट हियर. सो जब इसी तरह से जब होता है तो हस्बैंड वाइफ में झगड़े शुरू हो जाते हैं. फिर वो अपने बच्चे को छोड़ के आ जाते हैं अपने अपने होम टाउन में कि उनके इन लॉज और उनके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स कैन हैंडल देम. फिर वो बच्चे को, ये एक्चुअली केसेस हमारे साथ काफी हुए हैं, बैंगलोर में हुए, और वहां पे पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चे को छोड़ के आ जाते थे. फिर दे यूज्ड टू ब्रिंग देम आफ्टर मे बी 1 or 1.5 year. और जब वो लाते थे तो बच्चा ना पेरेंट के साथ सेटल होता था ना हमारे पास सेटल होता था, विच यूज्ड टू टेक लॉन्गर टाइम. हाँ, नहीं तो फिर वो बच्चे को या तो वापस ले आते थे या फिर वो बैठ के सेटल करते थे. तो इट्स लाइक अ स्ट्रगल विच इज लाइक बीन गोइंग ऑन एंड ऑन सिंस वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. अब और फिर होता है कि अच्छा अब मुझे आज जल्दी से सुबह जाना है, अब मैंने घर का काम करना है आके, तो बच्चे को कौन देखेगा. अगर मैं घर में भी बच्चे को रख के बैठी हूँ तो उसके साथ कौन क्या कर रहे हैं हम बच्चे के साथ. सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रगल बिटवीन ऑल दैट एंड दिस आर वेरी बिग क्राइसिस. फिर एट द एंड ऑफ द डे फिर वो कहते हैं कि अच्छा अब बिटवीन अ पेरेंट द गिल्ट, मेन गिल्ट इज टुवर्ड्स द मदर साइड. हाँ, मदर सोचते कि मेरा बच्चा है, मुझे ही करना है, देन वो अपना जॉब छोड़ के
sacrifice करे जो करो.
हाँ,
तो mothers used to sacrifice.
women, it's been
Women
not like
always.
this in India.
Right.
So
हाँ.
फिर मदर ही होती है जो पहला कहती है फिर ठीक है मैं जॉब छोड़ती हूँ. तो विच इज वेरी सैड एक्चुअली, क्योंकि उन्होंने वो अगर इतने टाइम काम करके वो कहीं पे ऊंचाई पे पहुंची है आज, इतना हार्ड वर्क किया है, और आज उनको जॉब छोड़ के घर बैठना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि बच्चे को. तो व्हाई शुड बी देयर शुड बी चॉइस ओवर फैमिली ओवर करियर. इट शुड नॉट बी द केस हियर. सो दैट्स व्हाई जो हम इतने टाइम से काम कर रहे हैं, हम 2002 से वी आर सेटिंग इट अप द डे केयर्स, एंड इतने टाइम के बाद भी आज भी ये प्रॉब्लम स्टिल एग्जिस्ट करती है. So that's why now we have started opening the centers in tier 2 also. कि ये comfort जो parents, जो mothers जो ambitious हैं, जो सब कुछ करना चाहती है, और जो जिनके लिए हम अपना we can be extended for them, we can just give them the extension and we can take care of the child and we can help them out. So why not? Why do they have to go to that extent and leave the career and struggle? So they can balance it out, they can handle both. They don't really need to leave and choose one thing, they can just work out with both.
Right. And this is what we are talking about जब हम developing country India हम बात कर रहे हैं, and we want more and more women workforce into the system.
Right.
And it's not possible, जो विकसित भारत की भी अगर हम बात करें, that's unachievable without the contribution of women.
Yes.
And I think this is a gap.
Yeah, this is a gap. It's high time now it should fill up. See, yeah. So when we started, initially, we were also thinking कि उस time पे भी जब थे parents were like guilt के साथ आते थे. So it was not only IT companies, it's an entrepreneur also. उनको भी guilt होता है कि same चीज होती है कि at the end of the day कि mother ने ही बच्चा देखना है, father नहीं देखा. But काफी change भी हुआ आज. Parent जो है कई mother भी they take turns also. अगर but वही again होता है if company can help the parents and agar parents can get the right daycare.
Right. It's just imaginary for me as I could see these surroundings. But then to I ask, agar sari companies compliance ko follow kare and they provide daycare for their female employees,
right?
कितना सारा female workforce है जो कि mainstream में आ सकता है.
It's true actually. It could significantly increase the women workforce, and then the barrier, they have the biggest barrier actually of leaving their career after motherhood. So right. That has been like will be amazing.
Right. So to the parents, working women's listening us right now, and they are into a guilt and confusion, like what message you would like to give them?
Okay, I would like to convey the message that you should not feel that you have a guilt because you are leaving the small child, in the creche or the daycare, because the first few years of a child's life are just important. They are foundational. And जो मेरा खुद का experience है, जो personal experience है, it's like it's been 2 decades and it's been happening. And जो मैंने इतने पेरेंट्स से मैं मिली हूँ, कॉर्पोरेट से मिली हूँ, सो आई फील कि जो वर्किंग पेरेंट्स है, अगर उनको बेस्ट गिफ्ट किसी ने देना है तो उनको दे शुड गिव देम अ राइट एंड अ सिक्योर एनवायरनमेंट फॉर देयर चाइल्ड, which is very, very important. And that's why here the taught comes. So taught learning, we are we are creating that kind of environment where there's a peace of mind, which is mandate, and there is a redefining quality time, which is very, very important for the parents. And we have decided to build the infrastructure, and which we have been doing it and are doing it now also, with the physical space, technology, safety net that would finally allow parents to succeed in both their careers and their roles as parents without having to sacrifice either.
Okay, so how can parents and corporates can connect with Taught Learning?
We are just a call away. We are in the market. We are meeting, in every day many corporates, and the first conversation we are having with that is we are focusing on understanding their childcare needs, compliance requirements, simple process, scalable, and hassle-free for both parents and organizations.
Thank you so much for watching this conversation till the end. Please subscribe and don't forget to share this episode with someone who may need this information. To connect with Taught Learning, check the description for details. We will be back with another workplace well-being conversation. Till the time, stay aligned and keep learning.